Today we will be going over the filter by string length node. The filter by string length node filters a particular column based on an inputted maximum and minimum string length. In this workflow, we have a CSV file containing information regarding different vehicles. This CSV file is rather large, so we are dropping multiple columns in order to shorten the dataset. If you would like to learn more about the drop columns node, please check out the video on our channel. This shortened dataset is then filtered based on the make column, and we are trying to find makes that are between lengths of 0 and 6. When we execute this workflow, we see the expected result at the bottom of the result tab.